How to add Payoneer payments to Shopify. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about adding Payoneer payments to our Shopify in the easiest, most simplest way possible. So let's get straight into it. Now to start things off, to add payments, what we do is obviously we're going to go over to our settings over here. And once you go over to your settings, you're going to come down and search up payments. Now, obviously, once you go into payments, first of all, you have payment providers. Okay, so these are providers that enable you to accept payment methods. Now, we're not going to go on provider because Payoneer is not a provider, it's a payment method. So we're going to come into supported payment methods, and here you're going to search in Payoneer. Okay, and once you search in Payoneer, it should give you the Payoneer credit cards over here. Now, in the case it does not give you that, you could search Payoneer in the providers as well, because it depends on the type of region you have, and there you go, you get your Payoneer checkout. So it depends on your region. Normally it's in payment method, but for some people it could be in provider. So I'm going to go into Payoneer checkout, and there we go. So that's basically your Payoneer payment provider. So it's basically a Payoneer checkout. Okay, it's connected to Payoneer. It's very, very trustworthy. So just go ahead, click on connect. And once you click on connect, it makes you install the Payoneer providers. And yeah, that's essentially about it. So that is how you are going to be adding your basic Payoneer payments to your Shopify in the easiest, most simplest way possible. So for all you're going to do from there is you're going to click on install app, and you're just going to connect your Payoneer account to this. And yeah, that's pretty much about it. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.